In this video, I'll show you how to run C and C++ code in Visual Studio Code on Windows platform. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to the link provided in the description below. On this page, you will find the installation setup. Click here to download it. Once the download is complete, you may be asked to trust the software. Simply follow the on-screen instructions. Now, open the downloaded file to begin the installation. Make sure to remember the installation location. We'll need it later. After the installation is complete, click the Finish button. Next, open the terminal and paste the command given in the description. Press Enter. If prompted for confirmation, type Y and press Enter again. Once the process completes successfully, close the terminal. Now, go to the location where MSYS2 is installed. Open the UCRT64 folder, then open the bin folder. Copy this file path. Go to the Start menu. Search for System Environment Variables and open this. Click on Environment Variables. Under User Variables, select Path and click Edit. Click New, paste the file path you copied earlier, and click OK. If you don't see the path variable, click New. In the variable name, type path with a capital P, and in the variable value, paste the file path. Now let's verify if MinGW is installed correctly. Open Command Prompt and type G++-- version. Press Enter. If the command runs successfully and shows version details, your C++ compiler is ready. Now type GCC --version and press Enter. If this also runs successfully, your C compiler is ready. Now let's open Visual Studio Code. If you haven't installed it yet, you can check my other video on how to install Vscode on Windows. In Vscode, click on Extensions. Search for C extension and press Enter. Select the extension by Microsoft and click Install. After that, search for Code Runner and install it as well. Once both extensions are installed, restart Vscode. Now click on Explorer, then click Open Folder. Create a project folder anywhere you like. Click the New File icon and create a file named. Then create another file named. I have pasted a simple printf program in both files. Now let's run the programs. Click the down arrow button and then click Run Code button. You'll see that the C program runs successfully without any errors. Now open the C++ file and repeat the same process. And there it is. That's it! You're all set to run C and C++ in Vscode. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below.